Everybody, here it is. It is Jiffy, America's favorite, quality and value since 1930. Jiffy Corn Muffin mix. Add egg and milk. Great product since 1930. Back end nutritional information, ingredients, and finally, how to make the mix. So you're going to put this container in a thing with an egg and a third cup of milk right quick. There's our thing right there. And we got our oven heating up at 375 and on standby. So here we go. Let's get our stuff mixed up together. Alright, so I got my egg and I got my milk. Let's put the milk in first. Try just so it's filling it. Next will be the egg. Everybody, here it is. Let's put it over our cut board. And now we're going to whisk this up. Here we go. I'm going to start it. Alright, everybody, there it is, all stirred up. So I'm going to get a big spoon and a spatula. And I'm just going to dish out here evenly. If there's more, then I'll add a few more cups. But that's the generalization. So hold on a moment. Yep, so about another 4 minutes and 20 seconds. These will be ready. I'm gonna put some butter on them, taste them, and let y'all know if they're ready high enough to go out and get. Alright, everybody, here they are out the oven. I know they're done because they cooked for 15 minutes. Some of them are fuller than others, so what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna pull them up all up out of here 3 at a time. And I'm going to cut them in half. I'll put some butter in some maple syrup in the others. Oh man, maple syrup on these in place of honey. It's the bomb. Y'all have to check it out. Hold up. Alright, so let's try one with some Fairway waffle syrup. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Very good. That was delicious. After the syrup wore off, it tastes just like cornbread. Which is A1. It's the best it's ever turned out. Excuse me. Since I made it, so I'm gonna give this one. It's gonna get a straight on 9. All right, yo. So good. This package was bought quite a while back when they were like 59 cents. I think they done went up, but I don't know, I could be wrong. So, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care, stay safe, and peace.